Welcome, fellow scooter enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of kick scooters, specifically focusing on the top picks for our younger riders. With an array of options out there, choosing the perfect scooter for your child can be overwhelming. Worry not. As a seasoned product reviewer, I've done the legwork to bring you the 7 best kick scooters, designed to enhance your child's outdoor fun safely and stylishly. From dazzling lights to adjustable features, let's explore what makes each of these scooters stand out. Starting our list at number 1, the Gotrax KS1 KS3 Kids Scooter isn't just a scooter, it's a ride into the future. The design is sleek, embodying a child-friendly aesthetic with vibrant colors and LED wheels that light up the path ahead. This scooter isn't just about looks, it's built to grow with your child, thanks to the 3 adjustable height bars. Durability is key with the Gotrax KS1 KS3, featuring a sturdy frame that can handle the rough and tumble of everyday play. The LED wheels are not just for show. They enhance visibility during twilight rides, making it a safe option for kids. Usability is a breeze, with an intuitive lean-to-steer mechanism that helps develop balance and coordination. The wide deck provides a stable platform for feet, ensuring a comfortable ride even during longer journeys. This scooter stands out for its combination of design, quality, and usability, making it a top choice for kids eager to explore their world on 2 wheels. Number 2 on our list, the Razor, a kid scooter, is the epitome of classic scooter design refined for the modern child. Known for its lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, it promises longevity and ease of transport. Folding capabilities make it a dream for storage and mobility, allowing kids to take their ride wherever they go. The Razor shines in its simplicity and effectiveness. The adjustable handlebars accommodate growing children, ensuring a comfortable fit for years. Its patented rear fender brake offers a reliable stopping mechanism, critical for the safety of young riders. The scooter's high-quality urethane wheels and ABEC5 bearings provide a smooth, responsive ride, making it ideal for urban and suburban terrains. With its blend of durability, usability, and classic design, the Razor, a lightweight foldable scooter, stands as a testament to what makes a great children's scooter. It's a reliable, fun, and easy-to-use option for kids starting their scooting adventures. At number 3, the Jetson Jupiter Kid Scooter brings a touch of the extraordinary to the scooter market. What sets it apart is the vibrant RGB lights, creating a mesmerizing effect that captivates and delights. This folding scooter combines functionality with fun, ensuring it's as practical as it is entertaining. The Jetson Jupiter is designed with a sturdy frame that folds effortlessly, making it perfect for families on the go. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on durability, offering a reliable ride through various conditions. The LED lights aren't just for show. They increase visibility, adding an extra layer of safety during evening rides. This scooter's user-friendly design features a lean-to-steer mechanism, promoting balance and motor skills in young riders. The wide deck and solid wheels offer a stable, smooth experience, catering to beginners and more experienced scooter enthusiasts alike. With the Jetson Jupiter, kids get a scooter that's as exciting to look at as it is to ride. Next at number 4 we have LaScoota 2-in-1 Kid Scooter is a versatile marvel, offering both a ride-on toy and a traditional scooter. The adjustable seat is a game changer, allowing younger riders to sit and scoot until they're ready to stand. This feature not only extends the scooter's life, but also provides a comfortable transition for kids developing their balance and coordination. The LED wheels add a splash of fun with every roll, lighting up the path and exciting the rider. Durability is a hallmark of LaScoota, with a robust design that withstands the rigors of play. The adjustable handlebars ensure this scooter grows with your child, offering years of fun and mobility. What makes the LaScoota 2-in-1 stand out is its focus on safety and comfort. The lean-to-steer design encourages proper balance and steering techniques, while the wide deck and sturdy wheels ensure a stable ride. It's an excellent choice for parents looking for a scooter that combines fun, functionality, and safety. The number 5 position is held by WAYPLUS Scooter, is a marvel of design and functionality, tailored for enthusiasts aged 6 and above. It stands out with its foldable mechanism, making it incredibly convenient for storage or carrying on public transport. The big wheels, equipped with ABEC9 bearings, offer a smooth and speedy ride, cutting down on vibration and making it ideal for both urban and slightly rough terrains. Quality and durability are where this scooter shines. Constructed from high-grade materials, it promises longevity and resistance to the wear and tear of daily use. The adjustable handlebar ensures it grows with the rider, making it a wise investment for parents. In terms of usability and features, the WAYPLUS scooter doesn't disappoint. Its ergonomic design, combined with a non-slip deck, provides a comfortable and secure ride. The efficiency of its foldable design complements its large wheels, offering an unbeatable combination of convenience and performance for the discerning rider. Number 6 position is dominated by Micro Kickboard Mini Deluxe Scooter 2-5. Designed for the little ones, the Micro Kickboard Mini Deluxe Scooter caters to children aged 2 to 5. Its vibrant colors and sturdy design make it an instant hit among kids and parents alike. The scooter emphasizes safety with a low-to-the-ground deck and stable steering, ensuring a safe learning curve for toddlers beginning their scooting journey. The quality of the Micro Kickboard Mini Deluxe is top-notch. It's built to withstand the energetic play of children, featuring durable materials that can take a beating. The adjustable handlebars mean the scooter grows with your child, providing years of fun and mobility. The scooter's lean-to-steer design teaches young riders the dynamics of balance and coordination in a fun, intuitive way. Its lightweight frame makes it easy for kids to maneuver, while the smooth gliding wheels ensure a ride that's gentle on little legs. The Micro Kickboard Mini Deluxe is not just a scooter. It's a fun, engaging way for kids to develop motor skills and independence. Finally, the number 7 position is held by LaScoota scooter is a fantastic option for riders aged 6 and up, balancing style, functionality, and durability. Its foldable design, paired with large, smooth rolling wheels, ensures a comfortable ride across various surfaces, making it ideal for both leisurely rides and daily commutes. The LaScoota scooter is built to last. It features a robust frame that can handle the bumps and knocks of everyday use, while the adjustable handlebars cater to growing riders. The high-quality materials used in its construction guarantee that this scooter can stand the test of time. When it comes to usability, the LaScoota scooter shines. Its easy folding mechanism makes it a breeze to transport and store, while the large wheels offer a smooth ride that minimizes effort and maximizes fun. Whether zipping through the park or cruising to school, the LaScoota provides a reliable, enjoyable scooting experience for kids and young teens alike. And there you have it, the 7 best kick scooters for kids, each with its unique features and benefits. Remember, the right scooter can turn simple outdoor play into an adventure, fostering independence and physical skills. Consider your child's needs and preferences, and be sure to find the perfect match. Ride on and stay safe.